Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. Barbecue season is finally here! I can't wait to put a yellow tape around my oven that says out of order for summer. No, seriously, we love grilling. During this time of year, I get myself ready for it and make my sausages as well as seasonings and rubs. Talking about rubs, here's a delicious one perfect for your grilled fish. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a small bowl, we'll add chipotle chili powder, brown sugar, one of my favorite spices, ground cumin, then mild paprika, some ground ginger, of course, ground sea salt. Come on, fish and salt, right? Freshly ground black pepper, and a little bit of cayenne pepper. We'll give a good whisk until the ingredients are well blended. We'll transfer the rub to an airtight container until ready to use.
As you saw in this video, it's an easy rub to make, perfect for your grilled fish. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!